Hindle Power in Easton, PA designs and manufactures products that help us keep our power even when we feel powerless. These products help keep your devices like your iPhones and iPads charged. Hindle Power is a growing manufacturing company with about 100 employees that work in various departments such as customer service, technology, engineering, and administrative roles. It's a family-based business that cares deeply about the health of their employees. At Hindle, they really focus on the employees that keep Hindle's power running. If you're one of the kids that would play with K'NEX or Legos and you love to take your toys apart, then manufacturing could be a job for you. Taking a Lego train apart to rebuild it is what Hindle Power does to make sure they are making good products. Hindle Power builds battery chargers, cabinets, switchgear, and mobile trailers, all which are needed to keep your lights on at our homes and charge your phones. There are so many different career paths here. It really shows how manufacturing might be the fit for you. Here at Hindle, they've created a schoolhouse inside the facility so they have the ability for on-site training. Whether you have a high school diploma or a master's degree, there are so many opportunities to keep learning and growing. The mindset at Hindle is the more creative people are, the more great ideas to come.
My name is Craig. I work at Hindle Power in Easton, Pennsylvania, and I'm a purchaser and quality assurance.
It's interesting how it takes somebody that was a carpenter and somebody that was an auto mechanic, but yet we come together and bring these different ideas and it just changes the entire process for the better.
As a team, they work together to be innovative problem solvers. Cash rewards are given to the people that have great ideas and solve problems with creative solutions. This diversity of thought, teamwork, and creativity is why manufacturing is so cool. It's not only produces products, but also people to continue to grow and improve as individuals. Working in manufacturing is like working out your brain. It requires creativity, problem solving, and personal growth in a rewarding career where you can find who you are, which makes manufacturing so cool.